Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for August 2014. Happy birthday Leos. What a fantastic month you have, and that too it's your own month. We have 3 planets that are going to be transiting your house, that is the first house. We then have Venus that is conjuncting Jupiter mid-month. We wrap up the month with Mars that is going direct in Saturn and Scorpio. We begin the month, Leos, with a fantastic alignment of Sun, Mercury and Jupiter. And they are transiting a part of your chart that has to do with you, yourself, how it is that you perceive yourself, what it is that you want in life, how it is that you want others to perceive you. You are going to be feeling really expansive, generous, and a lot of goodwill is going to be there around you. It's a great month, Leos. When you begin this month, you're going to be surrounded with friends. You're going to be feeling extremely supported, and it's a great time where you can really sit down and figure out what it is that you want to do in life next. It's a time where, though you could have been, last month you could have been weighing the pros and the cons. Do I do this additionally? Do I pick up that project additionally to what it is that I'm doing? But there seems to be a lot of clarity now, and this could just be a sense of huge relief. You could just feel a burden off your shoulders, and you're going to be feeling quite content. And around this time as well, since the focus is there on you yourself, there is going to be a need to change your wardrobe, how it is that you look. Maybe some of you will go in for a complete makeover, change your hair, change your wardrobe, how it is that you present yourself. Along with this, however, there could be certain habits that some of you could have been struggling with, of letting go. So it's a good time to be letting go of those, could be minor irritants, could be maybe a complete lack of exercise, could be maybe you've just got so used to worrying about certain things, or being in a certain state mentally, and it's become quite habitual that you just don't do anything about it, but you sit and you think about it. So it's a great time to be letting go of those certain patterns, certain habits in your life as well. Venus mid-month conjuncts with Jupiter, and Venus being the goddess of love, beauty and sex and even money. She's going to be, the moment she conjuncts with Jupiter, that's a planet of expansion. He's the grand Greek god, and everything that Jupiter touches just sort of expands and broadens. And this again is could give you somewhat an inflated ego, and though Leos are most of the times are guilty of having inflated egos, and they love all the attention that comes to them, try and not have a swollen head at this point of time. Try not to be very arrogant and be too full of yourself. You are going to be feeling very generous as far as your friends are concerned. You will be really putting yourself out and helping people, and just be in a very benign phase. Some of you could also get engaged, for those of you who have been and this aspect has been there in your chart for the last 6-7 months. You've been debating, so you may just bite the bullet this month. You could get engaged. It's a brilliant time as well. It's a brilliant time to be spending time with your loved ones and just get all the adulation and the appreciativeness and the support, sense of feeling extremely supported is there. What you should be very careful about is, however, Leos, is that as far as your work is concerned, it's not a time for you to be scattering your energies in too many ways. For those of you who have decided to jump the boat and start something new of your own, or even be in another new company, this is a great time for you to be doing that. So if the debate has been there endlessly again for the 6-7 months in the past, that you've been sitting and thinking that, do I change or do I start something new, or is it the right time, or do I have enough money? The planets are indicating that there's enough and more support. You will be well supported, you will be well looked after, and there is sufficient financial support as well. Not just of your own, but should you seek a loan, or should you seek a partner who could come in as an investor, it's a great time to be doing that as well. it's really, really beneficial. Seems to be almost a magical month till about 25th, and that's a time where Mars, that is your god of war and aggression, and he wakes up, and he is transiting Scorpio, and Mars is conjunct with Saturn, and this aspect in any case has been there in your part of your chart that deals with your home, and an added responsibility is there, and like I said, this aspect has been there for about a year and a half now, and it carries on being there till October 2015. So added responsibilities as far as the home front is concerned, as far as parents are concerned, a lot of you will be called upon now to be sort of taking care of things which concern your parents, be it health issues, be it the real estate, and there could be some buying and selling of the home as well. You could be buying another house for your parents, or you could be merging your house with them. There is also since Saturn is there, and Saturn is again, I think, making you iron out things which you have not ironed out as far as your parents are concerned, and there could be again issues which could be there at the back of your mind, maybe certain regrets, maybe certain things that you feel you should have discussed and ironed out, and it is a time where you can iron out things, you can have, I would say discussions, but I think you just need to sort of put an end to it, just have, make peace with it. This is also a time where some of you will be spending time at your parents' place, or you could be thinking of, like I said, moving your base completely as to where it is that your parents are staying. Emotional security is of extreme importance towards, and this begins towards end of the month, and you could be feeling quite having the need to be there, and especially since this house rules mother, it's a house of Cancer. You could be quite concerned about your mother's well-being, and whether she needs your support and you should be there. So a lot of like I said, whether it is liquidating of real estate or merging two homes together, or it really speaks about your foundation, your emotional foundation, where it is or how it is that where it is that you come from, and how it is that you deal with things which have to do with your home. So a lot of focus on home. So all the fun and the partying needs to be happening, or whatever that needs to get done before the 25th, because this aspect again sort of picks up momentum from the 25th. For those of you who have been feeling extremely restless and moody and frustrated, maybe it's a good time for you to be focusing on restructuring, or maybe some repairs that need to get done around home. And I think it's good to channelize your energy over here rather than sit and feel helpless and frustrated. So the things that need to get done around home, Leos, use your energy and time to be doing those, whatever repair work or whatever that needs to get sorted at home. Do that towards end of the month, or like I said, it will come to the surface more. So a great month, a lot of I think a great time for self-improvement as well. You may not agree, Leos, but the first half of the month indicates that a brilliant time, and I think there's going to be a sort of realization of an evolvement that has happened for most of you. So while yes, a lot of you will be riding very high on successes and money is good, and you seem to be quite content about where it is that you are in life and how it is that you're viewed socially, you could be feeling quite content with it, but along with it also be a little wary about the arrogance that would come along with it. Try and be as humble and as gentle as you can along with the success that comes to you. Have a great month, Leos. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and I'll see you again next month. Thank you so much for watching.